Good evening, children. Welcome back. Children, continuing with the same topic, subject verb agreement. I had discussed 11th rule and now rule number 12 I am going to discuss. Children, you must know that this topic is really very important, and if you have command on this chapter, naturally in editing and omission, you will do fairly well, and even the question of writing section, that is article writing, letter writing, speech writing that you will attempt will be quite different. Children, please write the rule. If half of, plenty of, most of, a lot of, lots of, comes before plural countable noun, it takes plural verb, but when it comes before uncountable noun, it takes singular verb. Children, just try to understand it with example. Very simple example is there. Plenty of eggs. Been bought. Clear, children? The plenty of eggs have been bought. चूंकि eggs क्या है, प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन है और प्लेंटी ऑफ उसके साथ आया तो प्लूरल नाउन हो गया. बट जस्ट सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. प्लेंटी ऑफ मिल्क has been bought by him. Children, just see. अब यहां plenty of milk जैसे ही हो गया तो उसके साथ हमने क्या लगा दिया, has. और जो plenty of के साथ हुआ वैसा ही एग्जाम्पल आप खुद से half of के साथ बना सकते हैं, most of के साथ बना सकते हैं, a lot of के साथ बना सकते हैं, lots of के साथ बना सकते हैं. I am telling you one more example. A lot of boys were running on the road. A lot of boys क्या हो गया, प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन, तो मैंने क्या लगाया, वर. क्लियर? लेकिन अगर हम कहें a lot of milk was lying there, a lot of के साथ अब क्या लग गया, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन मिल्क, तो वहां हमको सिंगुलर लगाना पड़ा was. Now I think this rule is quite clear to you. Thank you, children. Now come to the next rule. Very simple rule is there. A number of, rule number 13, try to understand. A number of takes plural verb, but the number of takes singular verb. Is it clear, children? Now just try to understand it with the help of example. A number of students have failed in the exam. अब देखिए, ए नंबर ऑफ था, हमने इसके साथ क्या लगाया, हैव. अब मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लिख रहा हूं, द नंबर ऑफ. ठीक है, देखिए, द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स is increasing. Just try to understand, children. जब हमने a number of लिखा तो have हो गया प्लूरल वर्ब, लेकिन जब हमने the number of लिखा तो क्या हो गया, सिंगुलर वर्ब, that is. Now I think, children, all these 13 rules are quite clear to you. Let me proceed to rule number 14. Okay, children, I am rubbing it out and then I will discuss rule number 14.
लाइट कम है क्या सर?
लाइट तो बराबर है, वही बल्ब कुछ धुंधला है क्या?
इसी का लाइट कम.
ओ अच्छा, पढ़ने लायक है ना? बस. Children, now come to rule number 15. Clear, children? Good. I was talking about rule number 15. Singular collective noun. Singular collective noun plus of plus plural noun always takes singular verb. Always takes singular verb. Children, Just try to understand it with the help of example. A team of players has come here. मैंने क्या कहा था? सिंगुलर कलेक्टिव नाउन हो, आप देख रहे हैं सिंगुलर कलेक्टिव नाउन हो गया टीम. फिर क्या आना चाहिए? ऑफ, आ गया ऑफ. फिर मैंने क्या कहा था? आएगा प्लूरल नाउन, तो आ गया प्लेयर्स. तो यही बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं एंड दे यूज हैव. तो हम लोग को हैव नहीं लगाना है, क्या लगाना है? हैज. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट विथ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. A set of books has been bought. Now I think children this rule is quite clear to you. Now come to the next rule. If any noun is repeated by after any preposition, clear? Then any preposition, then we always use singular verb. Children, just try to understand it with the help of example. City after city was destroyed. Children, actually students are confused. जैसे वो देखते हैं सिटी आफ्टर सिटी तो लगता है सिटी के बाद सिटी, बहुत सारा सिटी, तो उसको प्लूरल समझ लेते हैं और इसके साथ प्लूरल नाउन लगा देते, प्लूरल वर्ब लगा देते. दैट्स रॉन्ग चिल्ड्रन. आप लोग लगाएंगे वॉज. एक और एग्जाम्पल आप लोग भी देख लीजिए. वन मैन आफ्टर अनदर, वन मैन after another man was shot dead. ठीक है? Now I think this rule is quite clear to you. Very good. Now come to rule number 17. Some nouns which seem to be plural, they take singular verb. When they take singular verb, when a pair of comes before it. Otherwise they take otherwise they take plural verb. Such words are glasses, scissors, socks, shorts, tongs, spectacles, pajamas, etc. Children, now try to understand it with the help of example. देखिए, माई सीजर्स, सीजर में तो दो होता है कैंची में, तो माई सीजर्स आर शार्प, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर आप लिखेंगे ए पेयर ऑफ सीजर्स was bought yesterday. Thank you, children. Now this topic is over. God bless you, children.